Hi, my name is Paul Myres. I've newly got into the post of Chair of the Stakeholder Advisory Group for Action on Hearing Loss Wales. I was co-opted to that just over a year ago because of my experience working as a GP in primary care and also working in primary care development, also involved with healthcare policy with an interest in inequalities. I also have hearing impairment in both my ears, and that's led me to many embarrassing situations. One laughs some of the time, but other times it's quite distressing. So I can imagine how difficult it is for other people. And I also look back and remembering how my dad, who had quite significant hearing loss, started to withdraw in conversations, and that's easy to do. I'm excited about being part of Action on Hearing Loss in Wales because there's a lot of us in Wales. There's almost 600,000 of us, so we're an important group of people. And there's no doubt that many of us do have difficulty getting access to some of the service that we need. There's some really exciting projects being undertaken by Action on Hearing Loss in Wales at the moment, particularly around helping people with hearing loss get back into work, some work about how we can improve access to the arts and how we can have better forms of communication for both the visual and the hearing arts. We're also doing work about how we can improve access to public services such as social care and healthcare, and obviously my particular interest is the GPs and making sure that people with hearing problems have good access to GP surgeries. So there's a lot going on. I feel I'm very fortunate to work with a great bunch of people on the stakeholder board and to support Action on Hearing Loss in what it hopes to achieve.